And now, let's proceed to the introduction to servo motor. So what is the need for a servo motor? DC motors rotates in 360 and you can control the speed and the direction of motor. But what if you want to move the motor at an angle? Now there's no way you can do it precisely using DC motor. In servo motor, you can control the angle with precision. And so, what is a servo motor in electronics? A servo motor is a linear or rotary actuator that provides fast precision, as I've said earlier, position control for closed-loop position control applications. And unlike large industrial motors, a servo motor is not used for continuous energy conversion. A servo motor, again, is a device that is used to rotate or push parts of a machine to which it is rotating with precision. And unlike DC motors, they generally rotate to an angle and then stop. So what are the components of a servo motor? If you pull apart a servo motor, you'll find the following inside it. You'll find a DC motor, you'll find a potentiometer. Also, you'll see a gear train, which is a series of gears that are connected such that their teeth are engaged or somehow interconnected with each other. Also, you'll see a control circuit. Now, this circuit is the actual brain behind the precise working of the servo. It controls how much the servo should move or rotate depending upon the input it receives. Now I'll teach you on controlling servo motor. Controlling a servo motor using eVive, you can control two servo motors directly with eVive using menu. Now take the servo motor and insert the wires attached to it in the first servo motor channel. An example would be this S1 here in this figure. Now add switch on your device. The first option in the menu that appears on the screen is the controls. Now select that option by pressing the control button on the right. Now once you select it, you'll see three more options, namely motors, servos, and steppers. Motors, select servos, which is a subheading. Then the angle can be controlled or changed using the potentiometer knob. As you rotate the knob in a clockwise direction, the angle will increase and the servo horn will rotate to its left. As you turn the knob anti-clockwise, the angle will decrease and the servo horn will rotate to its right. On rotating the knob, you'll observe that the minimum the angle can go is 0 degree and the maximum is actually 180 degree. Activity: Toby's head moves. Now here, Toby's head moves. I want you to cut out Toby's head and body using a pair of scissors here. Now on the cutout of Toby's body, there is a space marked for the servo motor. Now cut and fold the flaps inward to make support for the servo motor. Then next, I want you to insert the servo motor in the slot made on the cutout of Toby's body. Then insert the servo motor in the slot made on the cutout of Toby's body.